Welcome to IndianShareTips.com, and today we are going to tell you how a Nexus operates, and sometimes it's even Government of India is also behind it. And we will request SEBI to definitely get into the details that how these orders are issued and cancelled at a drop of a hat. We have already seen that IRCTC, which was a momentum stock, had fallen from 6,000 levels to 4,000 levels with lower circuits. It was a momentum stock because it has a mega rally from 1,000 rupee to 6,000 rupee in a very short span of time. And we always wondered that how this stock with meager income is going stupendously so much high. Now, to add salt to the injury, yesterday Government of India Railways gave an announcement that they will be sharing 50% fees with IRCTC or vice versa, that is whatever IRCTC is getting income from the convenience fee, they will be getting 50% share out of it. So it was a very clear fact that today IRCTC is going to be in a lower circuit and it will be phenomenally down. And during the course of the day, again a clarification came with the news that Railways has reversed that order. Are they not aware that what implications does these type of orders have on the stock market? The stock thereafter rallied 30% during the course of the day. It appears to be a total nexus where somebody had shorted IRCTC and by virtue of this order of sharing of the convenience fee issued yesterday was able to cover it up, and thereafter he had gone long and in connivance with the railways got this order cancelled. Such type of orders must have had been given with some due deliberation, and we definitely want the regulatory body to look into it, that how conveniently the share prices have been manipulated, first taking it from 1,000 level to 6,000, and then when the Gubara burst, it fell from 6,000 to 4,000, and to make the Gubara further burst down, it got in connivance with railways, and thereafter railways cancelled the order. So one has to be very careful of these type of momentum stocks, and more you understand the market, you get a better returns from it. However, the role of regulatory body definitely comes to play into it, so that such type of activities are not undertaken which can have an impact on the stock price phenomenally. If you like our video, please share it. Remember to subscribe to it, and do visit our website, and do remember that we do provide Bank Nifty option tips where you can get even started with a small capital of 5,000 rupees, and we will share the link in the description box, and profit is definitely yours with us. Signing off from Indian Share Tips YouTube channel.